Hello everyone, today we are going to go over contact groups in DialMyCalls. To manage your contact groups, click on Contacts to get started. Click on Groups to see all of the groups you've created and click Add Group to create a new one. If you click on the name of the group, it will display all of the contacts in that particular group. From the Contacts tab, clicking on an individual contact or multiple contacts at once will bring up the Options menu. Click Add to Group to add these contacts to a group that is already created, or create a new group to add them into. The Groups tab will let you manage your contact groups that you've created. View the users in each group, when the group was made, the last time it was modified, and then you can do the following with each group: export group, edit group, or delete group. That wraps up our video on contact groups in DialMyCalls. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086. Our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.